Are you sick of leaving your wife and kids every day just to go to a job where you feel undervalued and demotivated? When you actually dream of working for yourself, where you control your time and you can spend it with those you love? You're probably worried about how you pay the mortgage and provide for your family without that monthly paycheck to keep you afloat. And you probably realise that everybody's job is getting more insecure by the day, and you're thinking you're trapped with no way out. And also you're thinking, are there truly viable ways of replacing your income, and can you really make it work? And that's got you into a frustrating trap of fear. If that's you, then stick around for a few moments and I will show you how you can break free of your boss using a couple of very effective side hustles that you've probably never considered before, which if you implement them well, will leave you looking slicker than Don Johnson putting on his shades on a Miami beach. Affiliate marketing and currency trading are two of the most popular side hustles around today and are really great for men over 45 to get started. In this video, I'm going to cover the ease and flexibility of operation. Then I'm going to look at some income determining factors, the cost of getting started, and success rates. First, let's look at the flexibility and the ease of operating both these side hustles. A lot of affiliate marketing you can pretty much set and forget, so you don't have to monitor it by the second continuously. However, you're going to need to take some time to create content and drive traffic or people to your website or your digital channel where you're going to be hosting your affiliate links. Whereas trading in currency or Forex requires meticulous monitoring and keen attention to detail. But the plus side is, if you do it right, you can rack up some huge profits within hours. Which leads me on to the income determining factors. With affiliate marketing, your income to a degree is determined by the niche that you choose. Is it high value or low value? Are your affiliate products high end or low end? What does your competition look like? What is the quality of your content? And crucially, how well you managed to drive people or traffic to your affiliate link. And your income is going to depend on the products that you promote. With currency trading or Forex, your income is going to rely on how well you can predict currency movement. Currency volatility is something you have no control over, and it could be triggered by competition, a country's economic results, current events, and many other factors that you haven't even thought of yet. So your income depends on how you judge that movement and how much money you've got invested. Now let's consider the cost of getting started. With affiliate marketing, you can start with very little money and you can potentially earn a lot. All you need is somewhere to post your affiliate link. You can pretty much start for free using free platforms, but I'd recommend you get your own website, your own hosting, and a good CRM system that will manage the emails that you're going to collect and then market to. With currency trading, there's no legal minimum investment, but the more money you have, the more flexibility you're going to get, and that could potentially enable you to make larger profits. You're going to need a platform that you can make trades from, and many times you can actually get those platforms for free, but you would just then pay a commission, a percentage of what your trade's value was going forwards. Crucially now, we need to look at the success rates. Affiliate marketing is really suitable for beginners, and there's not that much that can affect your marketing that you can't fix. If something's not performing, you can tweak it, make it perform better. The real key is getting the right people in front of the offer that you're promoting, and even then, you can then re-promote. If you're capturing their email address, you can then re-promote to them going down the track. With currency trading, there are some external factors that we always have no control over. And the vast number of people involved in currency or Forex trading have lost a lot of money. But having said that, there are some people that have made an absolute fortune from Forex trading. The truth is, most people with a dream of starting an online business don't make any money online, and it's a sad fact that 95% of all amateur currency traders lose all their money within the first 2 years. So whichever of these potentially brilliant two side hustles you pick, you're going to need an extra element that's going to make it work for you. What I did was get myself some great training from SFM and the Digital Experts Academy, which gave me the vital knowledge on how to successfully create a profitable online business. The training and support is second to none, and we are a community of digital entrepreneurs working daily on the cutting edge of digital technology generating second incomes and passive incomes to financially secure the future of our families. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here are some people just like you and me that have taken the decision to take control of their lives, not have to be beholden to a job or a boss they frankly didn't like, and decided to give themselves a little more time and money freedom. So if you're ready to learn how to make a good side hustle income and you want more money in your pocket to spend how you like and you want it now, click the link below in the description now and you'll be taken to a free 4-video training series hosted by my friend and mentor Stuart Ross. Stuart taught me all the different ways we can make money online just by following our passions. So take a moment and click that link and finally put an end to worrying about not having enough time with your family, your kids and your wife, and start to realise that you can actually quit that job you don't want and build yourself a great second income that can give you the life you truly deserve. So click that link and I will see you on the other side.